Hey guys, looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. So you can see right now the price is at 47,500, and it's currently acting as this uptrending levels once was support is now acting as resistance. You can see we had a touch point over here, and now we're getting it here. And this acted as support for over a year before we broke down below it. And this is actually when I predicted the bear markets, when we fell down below this level of support, and we fell all the way down to 33,600, and that's when we rebought. So just so you're aware, for the short term though, if we break above this, and we're going all the way up to 56,000, and that's the target of this formation right here. And I found that target by grabbing the trend line, parting, and sticking it right on top of the formation. And yeah, it's 52,000 for this formation, and it's 56,000 for this one right here, but it's a lot less conservative. So when you look at this white downtrending level of resistance that will most likely act as support in the future, the non-conservative target is 56,000 for it by grabbing the trend line and dragging up to here. But I always go for conservative targets. I always recommend that. And if you were to, say, for example, enter this breakout of this downtrending level of resistance, and you have like your stop loss right about here, you can then raise it to here, you can raise it to here, and if we break above this purple line here, we can then increase it again to right about here, and just keep trailing your profits as much as you possibly can up until the target. And the moment you see a lot of volatility, it'll come down and hit your stop loss, and you'll capture those gains. The downside right now, though, for the short time, if I look at the hourly, you can see that the price action is actually starting to curve, and a rounded top is actually fairly bearish. You can actually see there's actually a bit of a double top here as well. I'm going to draw a formation here really quick. So we got these wicks acting as support along the way up. We got these wicks acting as resistance. The longest amount of time it'll take for it to come out of this is about over a day and 3 hours roughly. But Bitcoin's an impatient asset and typically breaks out 20% or less towards the end of the formation here. So we're most likely going to break out around here or even sooner. So what things to look out for right now is if we break this downtrending level of support, so our uptrending level of support, the target's going to be right around this support level here that I was just talking about. And if we were to break above it, then we can actually expect to see the target of 52,000 much sooner. But it'd be completely normal for it to get rejected here and come down and use this as support, or use this as support to create a confirmation bounce. If you haven't already entered, typically if you see like a confirmation bounce, which normally looks like a little W off these support levels, you would enter off the W, and then that way you're not too late for joining the ride on the way to the 52,000 up to 56,000. If you guys have any questions about this, just let me know. I'm always available to be able to help you out, and have yourself an amazing day. Thanks, guys.